So, hey guys, we are back again and playing this game called Lifeboat. What we're gonna play today is Balak Muda, Take Home to Bag, Lava Survival, Sky Wars, and Bed Wars. Or maybe we're gonna try this one too. The one in the chamber. Go play next first. Me, who's the greatest all Bedwars? Okay, Bedwar, I guess. Bedwar. We're gonna play this one. Two player. Which will be? Wait, there's new island. What should we pick? Pick. Try this one. No, we can't pick that one, but we can pick this one. Alright, let's do this. My team is not. Oh my, it's not moving. Moving like a bit. Because we already killed one. Wait, we're gonna be quick here. So what am I gonna do is place over. Oh my no, the rock only did did- we're gonna be here. But someone already been dying. No, not her. I'm gonna wait. I can buy the bacon one. One. Not Wala in here. Naman here na tell me what I'm hearing. Well, just a Diane or not how does it you believe that you or just that you get the person me just that just almost tell me I'm playing over here and they cannot tell me Wait, we can I can break it. Put the black here. Why what why would a black in your bed is literally exposed? My gosh. Red players are dumb. At is so tabo na tabo. So tabo, tabo, tabo ko kita. Naging kaibigan ko. Dugay lang. Here, what's that? I cannot see clearly. The glass is melted. I'm just gonna walk in and get out here. We're gonna block the way. Who took the iron? Iron. At least there's one here. We could think by this and this and by this and 10, 5, 4. Oh, there's no doing it. Oh my gosh. I want the right now. I want it right now. 5. Why is there black? Why is there black late? Oh my gosh. Sir, you are not allowed to do that. Of course, I know that. Do this. But I don't know how to do it. And, huh? Hindi palong dito. Um, ano yung bit? Hindi ako sampag ng my gosh. We're going home. Para gawin home. Wait, turn on this switch. Slowly. It's way walking, walking road or at pag mo na ba? Pag mo na kay hanapin mo pagamo na. Hala, pero ko balay mag grabe yan. Tapos na na. Ano, my name. It's so we're gonna play a bit of it's just to go to sleep. We're done. Wait, guys. Wait. Wait. No, again, we're playing now. Where am I? Oh, sorry. Bahok ka. Iyo, ikaw po dun. Pag-ship. Service kasan. Look, I can't even see it. I'm always on. Not my RP partner. Now, please. Where we can, by time.